Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this short video we are going to understand how can we just get a Fibonacci series in Python with the help of recursion. So Fibonacci series is something where the current element would be the addition of last two terms. Let's say you are having 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So 0 plus 1 would be 1, 1 plus 2 would be 3, 3 plus 2 would be 5. So on the series would be continued, okay? We want to get out this logic here. How can we just get this kind of series? Let's create out a function here with the name as fib, which is going to take some integer n value, okay? If my n would be smaller than equals to 1, in that condition just simply I want to return out my n, okay? There would be no logic for that in if n would be there, right? Else I'm going to use out my logic that I want the sum of last two digit, right? So for that n minus 1 and n minus 2 concept we are going to use out here. N minus 1 plus, so we are calling out fib here two times with n minus 1 and n minus 2 concept. And let's say here we are going to use the terms variable, which is going to just take the input from the user, how many up till what you want the Fibonacci series, okay? So we are just going to ask the user that enter the number of terms you want for Fibonacci series. So we are just going to print out here simply for better experience for user, that is Fibonacci series. And here we are going to use out the for loop so that I can just print out my Fibonacci series properly by the help of for loop within the terms, and I'll just print out simply my fib with I, because it will traverse out with the help of I and with the space. If I'm just trying to run the program, okay, let's just try to get the response. If I want up till 7 my Fibonacci series, let's just try to get, you can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we did what we have just taken a Fibonacci, I mean like a recursion function here. Fib, if the n's value would be 1, just simply return n. In case if it's not, just call out two times my fib function with addition of 1, n minus 1 and n minus 2, okay? If n would be 7, so 7 minus 1 plus 7 minus 2, that is 7 minus 1 would be 6, and 7 minus 2 would be 5, that would be 1, okay? This would be the first iteration. Then again the value would be updated, okay? It will be changed out, and at every iteration the things would be followed out with such a logic, and we'll get our Fibonacci series. I hope this is going to be a useful program for you guys. Fibonacci series in Python with recursion. Thank you so much.